fancies doing some bubble nails today? Or should we say some Leah style bubble nails? Yeah? Let's go then. So first off, I've done my set already and I used Fusion Purple from Glitterama, of course. I'm coming in now with the alcohol inks from Smileys glitter store, and I'm using the purple and just trailing it across and building it up as it dries until I have the opacity that I want. It's just a rough line across. It doesn't need to be in any particular way, shape or form. Anything that looks natural, you know? Whatever flows will come together at the end. Just work with it. And then I'm using the foil glue to then go around the edges and slightly overlap onto the alcohol ink. And then when I'm happy with where I've put it all, I need to leave it enough time to dry so that it goes completely clear, the glue that is. And then it means that it's ready to put the foils on. If you are clocking my other hand and you're wanting to see the design, that is coming out soon as well. So these are the foils that I'm using. One is like a rose goldy kind of pink. It's just an absolutely stunning colour. It's like, where has this been hiding in my pile? What the hell? Get on my fingers. I'm just going to splodge that in random places. You know how I like to splodge things? You know, I say that a lot. Like, I'm actually realising how a lot I really do say that. That's like pretty much everything, isn't it? Splodge it here, and then splodge that there, and then splodgy, splodgy, splodge. It works. You're splodging, aren't you? Well, you might have not been before, but you certainly will be now. Because you're going to remember it, aren't you? Oh, I'm splodging, like Leah said. So, a little bit more on these two. And then over to, what should we call it? Should we call it magenta or fuchsia? Even though they're kind of like the same kind of colours, aren't they? Really? I don't even know. Magenta more of like a darker red. Anyway, we'll go with fuchsia. There we go. A fuchsia pink. So in with the holographic fuchsia pink and a bit more splodgy. I'm not gonna lie, right? I got a bit of energies together and I thought, quick, let's bang on a set. Quick, let's get some nails on. My fingers are naked, I can't help. So I'll put them on. An hour flat, both hands. Clear on one side, purple on other. That's all you were getting out of me for 2 days. That were it. I crashed and burned back to bed. Oh. Don't get the norovirus. It is horrible. And here I'm using my lovely little starry silver. Like, I don't know where this creeped out from either, but when we're going through the pack, I'm like, oh, hello, little stars. Why not? You can get in there too. And I'm just filling up all the spots that are left of the stickiness. Beautiful. And then in with top coats. And I'm using Glitterama's brand new top coat that will be released very soon. It is absolutely fabulous. It's super thin and super strong and super glossy. I love it. Cannot fault it. I'm going to get so much use out of a bottle. Oof. So nice and thin, into the lamp for a full cure, and then unicorn chrome on top. Now I like to apply it with the applicator, then wipe off the excess, and then I like to use my finger to like polish it up. I always find that my finger works best with unicorn. I do not know why, it just does. Then this is the one that you put your bubbles into. So you put on your top coat, do not cure it yet. Then place your bubbles on top where you want them to be. And then into the lamp for a full cure and wipe away the excess. I did that on all of the nails and added some crystals on the ring finger, and here presto, I am happy. I have pretty nails again. Woo! So, thank you for joining me as always. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you super soon. Bye!